Hello. So, I've been thinking recently, why do we do anything? Why does everything seem to work out in the end? Why do we still get stressed out? Why do we do things to prevent bad things from happening when we know that in the end it always works out? Now, this brings up the question, is it because we act and we decide to try to fix things that things work out? Well, I wish it was that simple. Have you ever heard of the law of attraction? It's a very, very simple law, and it's one that applies to everyone. It's a law that states what you think you want, what you want, you can have. So let's say you want something very badly, you want a new partner, you want a certain physical item, you want abundance, you want something, whatever it is, you want it. The law of attraction states that you can have it as long as you manifest it. Now, of course, you can sit around all day and say, oh, I want my brand new car, I want my brand new car, I want my brand new car. But that won't do anything because you have to take action. I'm a firm believer that action taking is power. It's the only empowering thing, really, that actually brings you power. Because gratitude practices and, all these amazing things that people do, statements, and, people try different things, and I respect it. It's not useless. It's only empowering on the mental level, not on the physical one. And the main reason why most people do these things is to get something in the physical world. So, what do you want? Why do you want it? When do you want it? Why do you want it at that time? And do you really think you can have it? Do you firmly believe it? Does every inch, every little cell of your body believe that you can have this? If you do, what are you waiting for? Go get it. It's as simple as that. It doesn't have to be more complicated than that. You don't have to go searching for the perfect X or the perfect Y and searching for all these things when it's all within. You can find everything within. You got this. We all encourage you, everybody, whether it's consciously or not. We are all one.